up, man.
What you got there? What's in the box?
I got some fun stuff.
Some fun stuff.
Fun stuff.
What is this? Oh, what is
No,
this?
bro, I haven't opened it.
What are these, swords?
Some sort of sticks to move the carnitas.
Okay, okay. The 4-link.
Morning, bro.
See this? This is fake T3. This is real T3. Check out this joint here. And check out this joint. That's a real tight joint. Quality. Hey. What do you want to do with these swords?
I want to put them on the car.
Oh, okay, let's do it. All right, first things first. Gotta chalk the wheels. Work. Step 2, jack up the car. The higher you jack it up, the easier your life will be. So step 2.5, set those jack stands on there. 1 jack stand, 2 jack stand. Oh. Is that a T3 panhard bar?
Yeah.
Yeah, the old color. All right, so gotta take off the 2 lowers, right? And then the 2 uppers. We got these lower links loose. We're gonna keep the top ones in place. You know, we're just gonna change them one at a time, even though I took out the bolts. Blue Dog's just gonna get the pry bar and give it a little pry-roo. She's a little smash, Bink. There you go, spat her open, Bink. There it is. All right, let's go to the bench. Okay, we're just gonna match these up to stock length, and then from there we'll adjust the pinion angle. So I have it bottomed out, right? So I'm gonna adjust this outward until we reach this length. Okay. All right.
You just lock it in.
We'll just snug her up. What's nice about the bottom links is you can unlock these easy. The top ones, once they're in there, it's like
That's it.
and then they provide new hardware here with the nylock. Yeah, look at that. You put the bush stand on the body side? I don't know. Yeah, okay. When we took it off, it shifted, right?
Yeah.
So now we gotta unshift it.
You need to go forward.
Need to go forward? All right, so that's why we should have just unbolted one of them. Off the wheel. And then with these KA auto work brackets, to get the bolt through, we needed to take off the wheel, but this sits kind of low. As you can see, Blue Dog has been grinding his 4-link, stock 4-link. Look what happens if the tire goes flat on these 13s. The first thing that touches this, the battery is going too hard at Grange, dirt dropping. Bootleg 4-link right here. That's what happens. It grinds down, which that will eventually grind down. Let's re-drill a new hole. I'm gonna go up a little. So we got the lower links in. What I'm gonna do to make things easier is take off the bottom mount for the shocks and drop the rear axle a little. Put a little bit more up. A long bolt. Alright, just like that. They fall right out. Okay, upon further inspection, see how much play there is in this bushing? See how much play there is in this bushing? Now just think, about those clutch kicks, how much more effective they're gonna be. We're still gonna free ball it the same way, even though this bushing's messed up. Give us a ballpark. I think bottom this out. Okay. Then I'm gonna make it longer. I'm gonna say right there. We'll just make them the same. Now we can cross check them. Let's put them side by side and put a bolt through. I'm gonna say we're good. All right. Oh, nice. We're gonna reuse the long bolt here. There we go. Oh, fuck. I got it in, but I'm an idiot. Oh, hell yeah. So we'll use that long bolt with the nylock. Cool. All right, snug up the 4-link. We're gonna get the shocks back on and then move the jack stands to the rear axle, and then we'll lift up the front of the car. Couple more pumps. All right, right there. Right there. Hopefully this roof is flat. Oh, what's going on down here? We're good though. All right, so here, let's just do this. 1 degree. 0.6. So it's 0.6 degrees up this way. Let's go a little more. Let's shorten the link a little more. I'm gonna do half.
How's it look with the eyeball?
I don't know, it looks fine. But then again, it's probably just how I'm holding this. Fuck it, 1 degree right there. Lock her down, Bink. So everything's locked down?
No, I haven't locked it down. I was gonna lower the axle so I could tighten the little.
Oh, yeah. Go for it.
Oh, the exhaust?
We added this little shitty tip because his exhaust ended like right there and just collected a bunch of smog. Thoughts, Lou Dog? Are you excited to drift this thing?
I'm excited.
All right.
I'm a little nervous.
Oh, don't be nervous.
You know that wall and those tires.
Oh, yeah. You know that wall very well.
I know that fence very well.
We gotta redo a feature on this car. Check out this car. This thing is slammed. Check that out. Well, no, it looks better without the light. With the light, you can see all the imperfections, so we turn the light away. That's it for today.